I'm gonna show you which buttons to click, which website to go into so that you have a much faster shipping, a better customer service, and faster everything for your dropshipping business as a complete beginner. This video is sponsored by Debutify. In this channel, we talk about how to run your business, how to grow your business, investing and passive income and all those good stuff. So make sure you subscribe and click on the bell icon for notification. This video will be divided into few sections. The first section is what is the agent we will be using. The second section is what are the benefits of using this agent over AliExpress and Overload and all those traditional stuff. In the third section, I will show you a screen recording tutorial and show you the exact steps, which buttons to click, which websites to go into so that you get everything set up and ready to rock your dropshipping business. So let's begin. So what is the agent we will be using today? It is called Cjdropshipping. I'm gonna link it down below somewhere in the description. It's gonna be saying something around agent, and click on the link below that and you can register and start using Cjdropshipping. If you are wondering what it is, think of it as a combination of AliExpress and Overload. You have all the products in it, and also you can use it to add product to your website, and also you can fulfill the order through them. It is also available as an app for your Shopify. It is like an all-in-one platform. So what are the benefits of using Cjdropshipping? The first benefit is obviously faster shipping. With Cjdropshipping, you can get a shipping time of up to around 15 days, if not even faster. The second reason is better price. For most of the product in Cjdropshipping, you can find it much cheaper than AliExpress. There are exceptional cases for heavier products which are more than 2 pounds. It may be a little bit expensive on Cjdropshipping because the shipping price increases, but you will still get a much faster shipping. The third reason is good support. In Cjdropshipping, you will have your own agent which you can chat with them whether in Skype or in WhatsApp. So if you have any questions or if you have any doubt, you can ask your own agent, and they are good in English unlike AliExpress sellers. One of the things I like about Cjdropshipping is how fast you can fulfill a bunch of orders. If you are doing the traditional method of dropshipping, that is using this AliExpress and Overload, you know how tedious it is to fulfill order. You have to go one by one, and if you have like 30 orders in a day, it takes you like 1 hour to fulfill 30 orders. But in Cjdropshipping, it will take you 10 seconds. Even if you have 1000 orders in a day, you can still fulfill it in just a few seconds. You will also get quality check, which means the Cjdropshipping will check the product for any defect before they ship to customer. If you are using AliExpress, often the customer receive broken items and you get a very bad feedback, but with Cjdropshipping, it will really minimize this issue. But all these benefits doesn't matter if you don't have a good Shopify store. And to have a good Shopify store, you need to have a good Shopify theme. The theme I recommend and the theme I use for all of my store is Debutify. This video is sponsored by Debutify. Debutify is the Swiss Army knife of e-commerce. It gives you all the tools like themes, templates and apps, basically everything you need to start and grow an online store, all in one toolkit. Visit www.debutify.com today. I have already created a video on how to create an amazing Shopify store using the Debutify theme. I will link it in the description. Now, back to the video. There are some more benefits of Cjdropshipping once you start to scale your business. The first is they provide warehouse. They have warehouse in the US and other countries. So if you are scaling your product either in US or European countries or other countries, they have a warehouse for you where you can buy the products in bulk and store in their warehouse. This way you can provide a much faster shipping because you will be shipping within the country you are selling. Another thing I like about Cjdropshipping is custom packaging. So if you are scaling your product and you want to design your own custom packaging, you can do that with Cjdropshipping. Well, as you can see, whether you are a beginner or a professional, you can get a lot of value from Cjdropshipping. Alright, the third step is going to be the screen recording tutorial. I'm gonna show you step by step on how to set up Cjdropshipping and how to use Cjdropshipping to run your dropshipping business. This tutorial will also be divided into sections. The first section is the basic setup. How do you install Cjdropshipping, how to link it with your store. Then I will show you how to find any product in Cjdropshipping. After that, I will show you how you can add a product from Cjdropshipping. After that, I will show you how you can link the product that is already in your store with Cjdropshipping. This will be helpful in case you already have a product in your store and you want to keep selling the product. And lastly, I will show you how you can fulfill orders in Cjdropshipping. This will blow your mind because it is very fast and convenient, unlike using Overload and AliExpress. So the first thing you have to do is click on the link in the description that is below the word agent. Alright, When you click on the link, you will be taken to a page like this one. It's an affiliate link. If you sign up through that, I get a small commission that helps my channel running so that I can give you more value. If you do that, I really appreciate it and thank you. And after that, you just can sign up. It's really simple. Enter your email, password, confirm password, and it's just like creating an account in any website or app. And after you do that, you will come to the Seizure Dropshipping homepage that looks something like this. So the first thing you have to do is to link your store with Seizure Dropshipping. To do that, you can go to this authorization, and then I believe your store is Shopify, so just click on Shopify. After you click on that, what you want to do is you want to click on this add store, and then you have to type in your Shopify, my shopify.com address. This is a store I created for this tutorial. Okay, after that you click on authorize. Alright, now it's going to take you to your Shopify dashboard, and it's just like installing a Shopify app. Alright, and boom, that's it, you are done. To verify, I'm gonna refresh the page here in apps, and it will show up Seizure Dropshipping as one of the install apps. As you can see, we have Seizure Dropshipping as the install app. Alright, so next time you want to go to Seizure Dropshipping, you can just go to your store, you can click on apps, and then you can just click on Seizure Dropshipping, and it will take you to your account. Okay. Alright, now you come here, and this is the official dashboard for Seizure Dropshipping. To find a product, it's as simple as AliExpress or Amazon. There are a lot of categories here, so in case you are selling sports and outdoors, you can select from here and you can find a lot of different products. So let's say okay, I personally do mostly home, garden and furniture, so let's just go here, and then I'm just gonna go to kitchen storage. Alright, as you can see, these are all the products of kitchen storage. You can find whichever product you want, and in a moment I'm going to show you how you can add this product in your store. But the question is, what if you cannot find the product you want here in Seizure Dropshipping, but you can find it in AliExpress? So in that case, how do you actually add the product? Alright, I'm going to show you that right now. Now we are here in AliExpress, and this is the product, let's say we want to sell. So if you can't find this product in Seizure Dropshipping, but you want to add this product in Seizure Dropshipping, what you have to do is you have to get the product link. Okay, so to do that, you just go to your browser. It could be Chrome, Safari, Mozilla, Firefox, whatever, and you just copy the product link. Alright, so I do Control-C copy, and I go here. Alright, so once you are in Seizure Dropshipping, there's gonna be something called searching, as you can see right on top of here. So in Seizure Dropshipping, you have to go to the top and you can see searching. You have to click on this one. Alright, after you click on that, you will come to something like this, and here you can do post searching requests. But if your account is completely new, you will have only 5 requests per day. For me, this account is a bit old, so it has around 20 requests per day. So let's just click on post searching request, and it will take you to something like this, and you have to click on this individual product. After you click on that, the image is not necessary. The product tag, let's just say home, garden, furniture. Product title, let's just say organizing bag. It's not important. The target price, make it double what is in AliExpress. So here it says, oh, it's really cheap, so let's just say around $5. It doesn't matter. Okay, it can be anything. And the destination country, I usually sell to United States, so I'm gonna select United States. So purchasing type, dropshipping. It's not bulk, you can't afford that at the moment because you are starting out. It's not worth it. So then we paste the product link from AliExpress. Alright, the description is not important, and then you just can click on submit. Alright, I can post 20 sourcing requests a day. Confirm. For you, it will be 5 if it is a new account. After you do that, it's gonna show you pending, but after a few hours or maybe some minutes, it's going to show you searching successful. Almost every time the searching will be successful, but for like 5% it will fail. Here you can see it says searching fail. So yeah, sometimes it does fail, but not all the time. That's one thing you have to keep in mind. Sometimes it cannot find if it is really a product which is not very common. Now let me show you how you can add the product from Seizure Dropshipping or link an existing product. Alright, so that is how you source a product in Seizure Dropshipping. I'm not gonna wait until it is successful because I already have a tutorial. These are tutorials which I created in the past for people I work with. but today I'm going to be sharing with you all, so enjoy.
So the first thing you want to do is click on searching, because it is where we sourced the product yesterday, if you remember. And here it is, the baby head protector, and it says searching is successful. Okay, so once you see that, all you can do is go to view details. Yeah, okay, so go to view product details. Once you are here, all you want to do is just click on list. And what I want to do is always select all this, because you can edit all this back in the store. You don't need to do anything now, and just do the bulk pricing. Just select a category. You can change all this in the store. Okay, oops, sorry, it lost again. So do that and press OK. Okay, and you just go to list it now. Okay, now it says that list successfully, and yeah, now it is in our store, and that's how you list a product from Cjdropshipping to our store. So the first product is the arrow cleaner, which I already have connected. You can see there are 17,345 in stock. So this is from Cjdropshipping, but here it is not connected yet. We have 0. Okay, so the product is the comfy sleep. To start, all you want to do is you want to go to apps and then Cjdropshipping. Once you are here in Cjdropshipping, you want to go to top and click on searching. Okay, after you click on searching, all the products you have sourced will definitely come up. I sourced all the products in our store, and we are looking for the pillow, which is the orthopedic pillow, which is named as the comfy sleep in our store. Okay, click on view details, wait for a while, and there will be another button popping up. Okay, you want to click on view product details. You can see here. Okay, so once you're here, all you want to do is connect, which means you will be connecting to an existing product in our store. You want to click this pin, and you want to click on sync. Okay, you want to click on confirm. You want to do this so that you don't make any mistake. Okay, so that it is updated with all the variants and all those things. Okay, so you don't see this here, so you want to go to page 2, and here's the comfy sleep. You want to click on connect. Okay, you can see the white here. You want to connect the white with the white, the blue with this blue, there's no black, but there is gray. So this default title, just ignore it. I think it should not be there. So you can see the price is 0. This is not in our store, so just ignore it, but you just can link it to something like the green, whatever. And the black, we want to change it to red. Okay, and confirm. Now please choose a shipping method. You want to do CJ packet. Keep this yes, keep this yes, and just click on confirm. Okay, when you scroll down, it's not going to be updated yet. So you see the quantity still says 0, the SKU is blank. Okay, so how do you do that? Now let's just change the quantity and the SKU. How you do that? Just go to edit, and what you do here, you want Shopify inventory managed by Cjdropshipping. The SKU, you can just say comfy plus CP. You just can click on save. Boom, great. You do the same thing for all of this, but when creating the variant, you can actually make this managed by Cjdropshipping, but I'm doing this manually now, which is not great because it takes time. So once you go back, you can see that the quantity is updated, right? And that's it. And that's how you connect a product with Cjdropshipping with your store.
So to fulfill order, you go to my CJ, you click on that, and here click on dropshipping center, click on this sync order, and this will take some time to sync your order, and it will show up. Alright, and click on refresh. After you click on refresh, you will see all the orders here, and we're gonna fulfill all this order at once. After this, all you got to do is select all this order, and then you have to click on add to cart, and then click on confirm. Alright, now it is in cart. As you can see, if I click on cart, you can see all the orders right here. Alright, you can select all that and click on confirm. You can also see the final amount. Now we go to awaiting payment, and as you can see here, you can see the total amount. You can just select that and click on pay, and once you click on pay, it will take you to a page where you can select which method you want. Alright, now you come to this page and you can select whatever payment method you want. That's it guys, thank you for watching my video. See you in the next video.